It's February 12th, 2022, and we are having like an endless spring this winter. Unfortunately, it'd be nice if it rained a little bit more. Pretty sure I'm just going to go up to the Junction, which is a 60-mile round trip. I put the GoPro on this bike with the Swivet mount, so maybe I can get some side view shots. Cut a hole in this wind slayer so that I can keep the GoPro plugged in. I just need to check the air in the tires. It's full of oil, it's full of gas. I think I'm going to get a bite to eat and I should be ready to go in a few minutes. How about a little bit of leftover smoked pork and cauliflower before the ride? Okay, I had a nice smoky lunch. Now I'm going to go for a nice smoky ride. If Old Faithful will start up for me.
RZ350?
Yes. 1985.
Yeah. Brings back memories.
I made it to the Junction. I got up here without having to pull over and take a pee, so that's a win. The place is really hopping. This is really cool. Well, I guess because of the weather being so warm, it's so cool to see all these bikes up here. Got one of these things up here. Just one. This is the vintage section. Just a lot of bikes, a lot of riders. I wasn't expecting it because I didn't see that many on the way up. Like I said, glad you're in one piece.
Right, yeah,
I'll see you up here.
good, good.
What a beautiful day for a ride. It ended up being, I think, 75 degrees. It still might be 75 degrees. Always good to get back home in one piece, you know? I just topped off the oil tank with this motorcycle's lifeblood, that stuff. I come home with a full fuel tank and top off the oil after every ride on any of my two-strokes, so I know it's ready for its next outing. It was a fun ride.